If you want to build up your email list, since 3/4 of your sales from month to month can come from your email list, and you never thought that Lemon8 would serve as a great vehicle to do so because you're still giving Lemon8 the side eye, or you're creating content on Lemon8, but you've not thought about going for the macro conversion of building your email list by virtue of creating content on that platform, well, this video is for you. But before we get started, if you want to learn how to create content marketing that converts from a coach that's got over a decade's experience as a coach and 25 years of experience as an entrepreneur, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more free trainings like this video. Now, point blank, you have to think differently about Lemon8. If you don't start content marketing with Lemon8 now while it's still early on for great organic growth on that platform for your business, you're going to kick yourself later on down the road when all of the extra algorithmic boosts that you're going to get into the feeds of your ideal customers, thanks to all of that newness factor, goes away. Even if just in the beginning you repost content from Instagram, especially your still images, graphics, photographs, and carousels, and of course your reels and TikToks, it's all a good start. But down the road, we want to be posting fresh content to the platform. You do want to stake your claim to an account with your business's name on it ASAP, and you want to start gaining topic authority on Lemon8 thanks to intelligent use of keywords in the post captions and hashtags too, while it's easier for you to get out in front of your ideal customer with just organic reach alone. Next, do remember that you have to have a call to action. Yes, you do, on each piece of content that you post to Lemon8 so that you leave your happy content consumer with the next best step to take with you before they're off binging on someone else's content altogether. So to my mind, the way things are working right now, you could put the call to action to visit the link in the bio itself, and or you put it in the caption for the Lemon8 content you're posting itself, or both. You should do that. Don't let someone flit away like some sort of butterfly on you, possibly never to be seen again, especially as more content creators clamber onto the platform with every passing day. Capture those leads while you can. Your business has something awesome, I'm sure, to help people solve a particular problem and or satisfy a certain desire they've got going on. So make sure they stay in the loop with you with that call to action included in the copy of your content. Think of your Lemon8 content, especially now while the platform is still pretty fresh, as serving as digital breadcrumbs that lead your ideal customer to your account, your brand, and its offerings as showcased on that account. So once they're impressed by a piece of your content, they'll ideally navigate to your account to binge on more. If one is good, more is better, as the saying goes. So make sure that account of yours, even if it's brand new, has some content on it to allow someone to binge for a bit. Even if you're going to post content only a few times a week and not daily, that's fine. But you might want to launch that account of yours with, say, 10 to 12 pieces of content so that if someone follows the breadcrumb trail to the door of your Lemon8 account, they're not left with maybe one or two things and then underwhelmed, they leave you and they're gone for good. So make sure you're publishing regularly, at least several times a week. Make sure that you're including a call to action so that whether it's on a piece of content number 1 or piece of content number 12, once they're ready, willing, and able to, folks can opt onto your email list and gain a freebie that will make them happy they've entered your digital ecosystem. But remember, you have to provide value. You can't just post two-dimensional content that really doesn't provide value past a pretty picture or just a quick fix feel-good moment that after someone grazes through your content, they're not really caring. There's no stick factor, if you will, and they're just gone and off off to the next content binge fest on another Lemon8 account. You've got to figure out what your ideal customer's main pain point or passion point is and create content that provides value that speaks to that pain point or passion point, because that is when they'll care enough to get on your email list or even buy from you then and there. But that might not happen if your content is just a picture and a one-liner of a caption that's kind of quick and done. To speak to a pain point or a passion point, you've got to have useful content that includes a caption that helps them out somehow. If you don't love writing or you're not particularly good about it, you may not be enthused about writing a longer caption for your Lemon8 content. But if you're not providing value-driven content on that platform that helps to solve a problem or satisfy a desire, you're not likely going to get a follow, much less someone opting onto your email list or buying from you. So perhaps this is where ChatGPT or some other form of AI can help you frame things out roughly, and then you can tweak things to sound like it came from you to make what you put in the caption sound like it's brand appropriate and or something that's in a voice your ideal customer would respond to. Do that and you can take some parade of product photos or content that really equals a tsunami of sales announcements, and you can take that and otherwise elevate it to value-driven content that gets follows, email list opt-ins, and sales. So, if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the question of, can Lemon8 build my email list? Need more help? Well, here's another video that YouTube thinks you'll like that'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.